Hey everyone, today let's learn few sentences in Sindhi. Sindhi is an Indo-Aryan language and it has official status in Rajasthan. Jai Jhulelal, hello, kehro hal ahe? How are you? Man theek ahe. I'm fine. Tava kuch kaado? Have you eaten? Tora paretyo. Excuse me. Hey pato kite ahe? Where is this address? Man nati samja. I don't understand. चा तनवा अंग्रेजी गलेंदो आयो. Do you speak English? माफ काजो. Sorry. चा तवा मुझी मदद करी सगोता. Can you help me? हाँ ना. Yes or no. मुके सिंधी कोनाचे. I don't know Sindhi. Restroom किते आहे? Where is the restroom? तांजी मेहरबानी. Thank you. तवाजा स्वागत आहे. You're welcome. वारी मिलंदासीन. Goodbye. We have learned few sentences in Sindhi, isn't it? Bye bye.